A father and his daughter are sitting in the living room, going through her English homework when she comes across the phrase would have and looks confused. Dad, I keep seeing would have in my English book, but I don't really understand when to use it. Can you explain it to me? Of course, sweetheart. Would have is used when talking about something that could have happened in the past but didn't actually happen. Oh, so it's about things that didn't happen? Yes. Most of the time we use would have in conditional sentences to describe an unreal past situation, something that didn't happen but could have. For example, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the test. So that means I didn't study hard and I didn't pass the test, right? Exactly. You're getting it. This type of sentence is called a third conditional because it talks about an unreal past. Let's try another one. Imagine we were planning a picnic, but it rained. I could say, if it hadn't rained, we would have gone to the park. Daughter. Oh, that means it rained, and we didn't go to the park? Father. Right again. Now, sometimes would have is used when making an educated guess about the past. For example, she would have been very tired after such a long journey. That means we think she was tired, but we're not 100% sure? Yes, it's a logical assumption based on what we know. Got it? Can I make a sentence? Of course. Go ahead. If I had woken up earlier, I would have caught the bus. Perfect. That means you didn't wake up early and you missed the bus. Oh, so can I also say, if you had reminded me, I would have done my homework. Exactly. That means no one reminded you and you didn't do your homework. This is fun. But can we also use would have in questions? Yes, you can ask someone about a hypothetical situation in the past using would have. For example, would you have helped me if I had asked? This means I didn't ask for help, but I'm wondering if you would have helped me. Oh, I see. Let me try one. Would you have gone to the party if you hadn't been sick? That's a great sentence. It means the person was sick and didn't go to the party. So, would have always talks about things that didn't happen? Most of the time, yes. But sometimes, we also use it to express regret or disappointment about something that didn't happen. For example, I would have called you, but my phone was dead. That means I wanted to call, but I couldn't because my phone had no battery. Or another one. She would have loved the movie, but she was too busy to go. Daughter. That means she didn't go, and now we think she would have liked it? Exactly. This is so interesting. Can we also use would have with but in other ways? Father. Yes. We often use it with but to explain why something didn't happen. For example, I would have helped you, but I didn't know you needed help. They would have won the game, but their best player got injured. Daughter. So in both sentences, the first part is something that could have happened, but the second part explains why it didn't happen? Exactly. You've understood it perfectly. Yay! I feel like I can use would have in conversations now. That's great. Keep practicing and soon it'll come naturally.